life, you know. People that are doing this right now, so I can say y'all real proud of shit, you know. Shout out to, you know, my boys out there doing their shit, MK the Don, you know, Spark, Bola, my boy Casper, you know, recording this shit now. Like I said, if you're watching this, you're a real fan, so.
Holy shit, we about to get it on with you. Let's stop it, right?
Time to do it, you know, we didn't start shit, you know. Fuck the people that mind what got the munching and shit. Together we stand, label the future, you know. Like I said, if you're watching this, you know my channel's gonna get done already. The mixtape when it comes out, you need to cop that, you know what I mean? Second, you know, I need a shout out to my boys out there, you know, my boy Casper's doing the biggest shit, you know, recording my shit for me, you know, my video man. My hype man, Spark, my other man, MK the Don, you know, my big man Bola, you know what I mean? So, and shout out to multiple, you know, helping on the movement. So, you know, it's just a little intro, you know, let people, you know about my life and shit. You know, follow me and everything, you know, I support the, you know, I support it, so, you know, tell my people, you know, I love y'all, and to the next episode, so cut that shit off. That shit off.